Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something exciting for you, especially if you're into content creation or if you're just curious about the world of AI. We're going to be diving into the fantastic world of Chat GPT and showing you how to supercharge your creativity using keywords everywhere. Yes, keywords everywhere. It's a big program that a lot of people really use, but I think you are going to like what I'm going to show you here. That's right. We're going to guide you on how to use this tool to have AI write your YouTube script. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. First things first, we're going to introduce our stars for the day. ChatGPT and keywords everywhere. ChatGPT, as many of you know, is a powerful language model, and keywords everywhere is the secret sauce that enhances your experience by bringing those SEO boosting keywords. Perfect combo, right? Now let's get into the nitty gritty. We're going to guide you step by step on how to set up keywords everywhere on ChatGPT. Trust me, it's simpler than it sounds. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. This is where the magic begins. So pay close attention. We're going to switch over into my computer, and you're going to see just a couple little basic things. All right, as you can see from the screen here, I've got Firefox open. You can also do this over in Chrome. It's really just an extension that you can actually add on there. You can go in and search for different extensions, and this is really one of many tools that you can utilize for helping you come up with a possible script. So if you are not the biggest script writer in the entire world, this is definitely going to help you significantly. Now, once you've got it installed, you can go log into ChatGPT. So you're going to see some of the stuff that I've kind of looked up myself. And there's a couple crazy ones, yes. But what you can do at this point, you can go down here where it's got a K. It says templates. You can actually click on that and it'll bring up this actual drop menu. You can look up by category, whether it's copywriting, marketing, SEO, social media, productivity, professionals. So I picked social media. Your subcategory can be any of the different social medias that are actually out there: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. And then you can pick an actual template. So when you actually look at it, you can look at script creators, shorts scripts, title and descriptions, transcript to article, ads generators, tags generator. So this might actually help you with finding some really, really good tags for your actual video as well. But we'll dive into that a little bit later. So what we can do is we'll click script creator right here. You can pick different languages if you want to have it come up in different languages. So it's a matter of what language you actually speak yourself. Voice tones, and you have different versions that you can look at here. You got default, then you got authoritative, caring. I'm not going to read all these, but you can pick some. We'll just say we'll pick something humorous, okay? Writing style, you can do creative, critical, descriptive. Let's just pick creative. And let's look up a topic like, well, how to create a YouTube video. Now, if you look down here, call to action is going to be to click the subscribe button. So what that's going to do is when you're actually reading the actual script, you'll see that, hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and things like that as well. And this is basically what they are asking ChatGPT to kind of look for. So do not explain what you're doing. Create a complete YouTube video script for how to create a YouTube video, which is basically just what I put in there. The script should have a good introduction between 4 to 5 segments and a conclusion. In the relevant segment, ask the viewer to click the subscribe button. So there's a method to this madness. Now click execute templates. Sometimes it comes up with like code, and sometimes, and generally it seems like it just comes up with a regular text script. Once you've got what you're looking for, you click execute template, and you see ChatGPT is going to start coming up with a script for you. So as you can see, some of the stuff that you've got right here, and this is just a very, very short script on what people could be looking for. This might be a 7 or 8 minute video. It may go all the way up to 15 minutes. So there's a lot of things you can look at. Now, if you want to get a little more explanations on everything, you can hit please continue, clarify, exemplify, expand, explain, rewrite, shorten, and tweetify. Tweetify would just basically make it into the short Twitter type kind of posting. So there's really not a lot to this, but I'm only using ChatGPT 3.5 because I don't want to pay for 4.0. Whenever they come up with another one, I'm sure they'll make 4.0 free for everybody at that point. But as you can see, they broke it down into your intro, your 5 segments here, and you got a conclusion. So it's just a matter of how you want to really portray your videos yourself. Am I the biggest script writer? No, I'm really not the biggest script writer. My videos up to before my last couple that I've made have all been just me speaking, just talking, flying by the seat of my pants, and hopefully giving you guys good quality content that didn't seem like I'm just droning it straight off to you. Now, I haven't quite gotten the whole knack of, looking at the camera and, looking off to the side over here. Maybe I would need to get something like a teleprompter. I know Elgato just released a teleprompter. That would probably be a really good option to get, but I'm running out of room and, well, I just got a brand new car, so my money's gone for that. But hey, $300, $350, really not a bad investment for somebody looking to get that kind of stuff. So keywords are like the magic spells for AI. In this segment, we're going to talk about how to choose the right keywords for your script, which we've really already done. We're going to share some tips on finding those golden words and not only make your content more discoverable, but also enhance the AI's understanding of your topic. Now, if you are using this Keywords Everywhere software, which I want to keep calling it Anywhere, I have no idea why, then you really don't have a lot you really need to do. You just kind of have to think of a topic that you really, really want to do yourself and plug it in with Keywords Everywhere. So make sure you let the AI do its thing. This is where the fun happens. Definitely set up the Keywords Everywhere, chosen the keywords wisely, and now it's time to let the AI do its thing. AI is fantastic, but sometimes a personal touch is definitely needed. It's all about making the AI work for you. And that's really it, guys. Using Keywords Everywhere with ChatGPT to create a killer YouTube script. Imagine the possibilities. And before we wrap it up, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our content. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found the tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay creative and keep those ideas flowing. See you in the next video.